What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reacting to Love Bites, one of Japan's most powerful metal bands. I've heard so much about their musicianship, their live energy, and how insanely tight they are on stage, so I'm really excited for this one. If you are Love Bites fan, let me know in the comments which performance or song I should check out next. Alright, let's jump in.
ギターは最初からシュレッドしてるアイアンメイデンのバイブスと現代のパワーメタルをミックスしたような感じ。しかも、ライブでもすごくクリーン。
During the performance, musicianship's reactions. Wow, the guitar work here is insane, super fast but still very precise. It's not just speed for the sake of speed, everything feels intentional. Love Bites in Japanese Love Bites bands is the most amazing band in the world. The drumming is absolutely relentless. The stamina alone is crazy, and the timing is razor sharp. So about sa vocal reactions, so her vocals are powerful. She's cutting through the mix effortlessly, and that kind of control live is not easy, especially in this game, in this genre. Band chemistry, what really stands out to me is how tight the band is together. They're not competing with each other, they're working as one unit. Crowd and live energy. Look at the crowd reactions. This is pure respect. You can feel that connections between the band and the audience even without a tone of talking. This is the kind of performance that proves why Love Bites has such a strong intentional fan base. So, final thought, alright, yeah, I get the hype now. Love Bites is on another level when it comes to technical skill, live performance, and overall professionalism. This isn't just a metal band, it's elite musicianship across the board. So, if you enjoy these reactions, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me your favorite Love Bites songs or which performance I should react to next. Thank you so much.